Hey, yo, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. I don't know what to say. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, I'll probably go see this like 2 months after, but yeah. Hey, yo, what is good? It's International Chess Day, and it's Christmas, and the pre. I'm not gonna record too many of those. My GoPro battery is like fucked up, so I just do 3 sets of 15 of those to start off the day. We're arms every day, Nick. One more try, one more try. God damn. We'll try again next week. Do 225 for failure, because I'm a failure. Incline. It just started raining hella bad. It was a nice ass day, like 50 degrees. I've never hit this, but I mean, it's a first for everything. If I fail though, I'm going with the bar. Can you even see? Oh shit. Next week. We're gonna drop this a notch. Shit. So it's a little bit, it's still inclined, but we're gonna put a 10 on, hit that jump, and then do 225, and then do 225 drop set to whatever that is. I don't know. We're not done working out yet. I just want to do a little quick thing. Damn, why do I feel so heavy? So now we're going to 225 and we're going to drop it down, like a little drop set. Take one off and then lift until I die. Golly, man. All right, we're gonna do some shoulder press because my shoulders are weak. Like, imagine a fucking snake is on me, right? I gotta push that little nigga off, and I can't. I don't know. We're gonna do some shoulder press though. So, the max weight is only 27. dropped it. God damn it. No, I'm kidding. I gotta pick it up though. Let's get some pull downs for our triceps and yeah. Some sides on the hose. Most gonna think it's done. We do some more, my nigga. God damn. Sorry. Make sure y'all subscribe though. I know that shit's still red. The post notifications on. If they're not on, then unsub. No, don't actually, please. We got the chest one more time. Damn. More of those and we're done. Subscribe. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new. That's on God, nigga.
I gotta pee so bad.